My hair is growing back.
No man, I look like an anime. Ooh. No so, I'm cute. I want like a wig company to sponsor me. I love wearing wigs.
I know. I would like a wig company too.
Alright, you know Spice has a wig company and she laughs at me when I was like, Spice, you know, man, wig face. Jodi, you're too bad. I was like, oh, that's a little dismissive there, Spice. Look how me look cute in a wig.
Yes, Spice, I would look cute in a wig too.
Let me link her. Didn't link her for the Christmas dinner. She didn't invite me for Christmas dinner. I was very hurt.
What?
Yes.
Maybe she didn't do it out here. Maybe she was away in her foreign
There was
abode.
10 million presents under that tree.
In her foreign abode?
With all the matching like wrapping paper on her fabulous tree. I was like, Sean, can we go to her house for Christmas? She probably has like 5-6 meats for Christmas dinner.
Imagine how that bathroom must smell after 5-6 meats.
Or is it curry goat and shrimp and ham and turkey?
Oh my God.
I don't know. I'd like to try.
You'd like to try?
Yeah.
My belly's still a rumble. I can't manage. I want to go to a vegetarian's house for Christmas.
Oh, boring.
No, what do you mean? They do stuff nice.
Oh, hi, can you pass the tofu? You know that we're recording down here, you know.
Oh. Hi. Yeah, maybe they'll have tofu.
I don't want any tofu for Christmas.
How do you know? You
don't want tofu.
You won't even know it's tofu.
Yes, I will. I'll be like, I'm missing meat.
No, because you won't.
No, I don't want tofu.
Sometimes I give you tofu and you eat it.
No, you do not give me tofu.
You see, you don't even know.
Stop! I'm not eating tofu! Hello, everybody. Hello. Hi, Kiki. Hi, Slims. Hi, Joe. Hello, everybody. Welcome. Hello, everybody, and welcome to another episode of Tuesdays with Tricky, where we take your mind off of what's going on outside the closet and bring you in here for an hour of fun, frolic, and foolishness. So today I'm an anime character. I am, I'm not sure what her name is.
Right?
Hi, Martina with a nice, cute family. Yes, what do you want me to do?
Taste it.
If it's from Lady Bee, sure. Yo, I'm not lying now. Lady Bee turn up Christmas. Was it Christmas
so
Day?
good?
When did we get those things and we just drank them?
But I got one for my birthday and I drank it off.
Yeah, it's like when you get Lady Bee
drunk
things
straight to Christmas.
you don't want to share. Big up to Lady Bee Mixology, our
passion for fashion.
Our vein juice. Like, you know when you have, what they say, soca in my veins, soca in my blood.
Yashi Hunter, I haven't seen you here before. Are you new? Hello, welcome.
Welcome. Alright, oh yes, this was one of my favorites, Star Fiesta.
Oh,
Christmas Eve. Oh yes, we were up at Mommy and Daddy's Christmas Eve and we drank off.
Does this have alcohol in it?
See, it's a creeper. Better be careful.
It tastes so good.
Which part of Jamaican? Right here. All of Jamaican is right here.
I would say you're butted as Jamaican. I mean,
Canada is here. Oh my gosh, it's so cold in Canada right now. So this is really an hour of fun, frolic, and foolishness because I don't know, I didn't jot down anything. Let's just talk about this wig.
Oh, you didn't plan anything to talk about today?
No, I woke up late. The kids slept in. It was so nice.
Oh.
Then when I finally...
So does that mean you're just going to chat the whole entire time and I'm going to have to sit down and look at you like this?
Yeah.
Anyway, Remy had on lipstick a while ago. She's like this.
Remy blow kiss in her lipstick. Hey, hi Wayne, watch the hair. So how was everybody's Christmas?
My Christmas was very good. I went over to Scott's mom's house for breakfast and did Christmas breakfast with his family. Then we went home. We took a little nap, everybody, me, Stevie, Scott, we all took a nap. And then we woke up and we went for Christmas Day dinner by you.
Melanin Queen, I'm going to squeeze you. What happened on The Bachelorette, Tracy? I'm going to squeeze you, see?
So She chose, what's his name again?
Michael?
No.
Oh.
She chose a Chris Brown looking guy. which I thought Nate, his name is Nate, which I thought Nate was cute at first, but the more I saw him was the more I didn't think so, because he shaved his eyebrows too much. It was too much.
Yes, but I find eyebrows can grow back.
Yeah.
What do you mean, like shave them out like very like papi chulo?
Yeah. It was shaved out a little too much. But I liked Nate.
Yeah.
You know, I thought the other guy, Brandon, you know, everybody's like she should have chose Brandon, but there was no chase. There was no chase with Brandon, you know, so that's why she don't choose him. She wants somebody who going like rooks her up sometimes, you know.
Wow, Auntie Stephanie says she misses us.
I miss Auntie Stephanie too.
Yeah, Prosecco Saturdays has been put on hold. Jodi, Tracy, hey beauties. Hey, Braid by Dance.
Hi, Braid by Dance. Yeah, I need some braids actually. Maybe I should put some in for the new year.
Look, I'm so glad that my scalp has settled down. So I am going to put in braids too, just to keep it like...
You know, like, I can't stand my hair. Like, everybody's like, oh, the curls are so nice. But, like, my curls are so sporadic. Like, one day they're nice, one day they're not. This shampoo, they're nice, and next shampoo, they're not. And they're always so frizzy. Like, look at them. Frizzy, frizzy, frizzy.
Where in yard you guys grew up? Where in yard? In Kingston? Oh, this is the same person I was asking where we're Jamaican. Do you know that you don't have to look like a plate of ackee and saltfish to be Jamaican? Yes. I'm more breadfruity, you know, with a side of melones. We were born in Jamaica. We grew up in Jamaica. UA Hospital. Well, she was more Natal, you know. She's Natal.
I was born at UA
I'm just
too.
joking. Natal is a very good hospital still.
Yes.
So,
I think all of the Jamaican hospitals are very good.
big up to Slim. No. Miss Chin. And to Spicy Tuna. Big up to all of our healthcare workers who like to just take out time to big them up because it's Christmas and it's Corona and we know that you're going through it right now. So
anyway, one time we're down in the country. I don't know if I told you guys this story before.
Drew Sam looked like a plate of white rice and sweet and sour chicken.
It's true. So we were down in the country when we were little girls, and there were these boys that used to come down. So we like always went to Silver Sands for the day of naught. I can remember. We've gone to Silver Sands for summer and Easter vacation, and one of them was this guy, with these two guys that used to come down, Creamer and Tama,
oh gosh,
right?
Do I have the picture of Creamer and Tama?
Creamer was like a redhead kind of guy, and he was white, and had like that straight hair that they kind of do in the bowl cut, you know, like comes like this, but he used to part his down the middle so it would come like this. And then he wore round glasses, and he was like white skin but had the freckles, so I guess he was red. You could say in Jamaican terminology.
Yes, in Jamaican term you could use red, but that's not what you say.
No, but I don't care.
He was of fair complexion.
He was red. And then his brother Tama.
He looked like he would taste like he looked like mashed potatoes.
No, he didn't.
Yes, well, if I look like an ackee and saltfish and Drew look like white rice and sweet and sour chicken, then he's a mashed potato.
Yeah, and then his brother Tama. So they're Arab, right? And actually, they were a pretty big deal over in UAE. They were a prince or something like that. I don't remember. Anyway, one of them died in a car crash. You know?
Really?
Creamer, yeah.
But Creamer died in an accident?
Oh, but they were like princes or something. I didn't know that till like later when we grew up. Anyway, Princess and Tama was like, he looked like an Arab guy. He just had the dark hair and he was a little bit chunky and stuff. Anyway, Creamer had a crush on Jodi, right?
I didn't know he was a damn prince. This is a problem. Who told me that this later on in life that a prince loved me off? He can't chat to me. Where did I grow up?
He was in
on top of the cherry gardens. I'm with a prince.
So anyway, so one day Creamer kept on coming on strong to Jodi, and Jodi was like, I don't like this, because you know Jodi are thugs from a long time. She don't want no.
Don't like mashed potatoes.
She don't want nobody hold her back, right?
A prince wouldn't have held me back still. But just saying.
So anyway, so he kept on annoying her. So anyway, one day she said she had a present for him. So he was like, oh, okay, a present? I'm telling the story.
I don't remember the story, but go ahead.
She's like, oh, okay, a present? So she's like, yes. So there was a ledge, and she told him to stand down on the ledge. So he did. And then she was like on the top of the ledge looking down at him. And you know what she did? She threw eggs on his head so they cracked.
Tracy, if he has passed, we shouldn't be making fun of him.
I'm not making fun of him. I'm having good memories right now.
Okay.
These are good times in childhood.
So you're gonna let mommy know that I wasted her eggs, but at least
You
I
went
wasted them on a
and bought
prince
them from the commissary.
to throw them at him.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, I'm so mean.
Anyway, Tama was
Same
the
me
same.
used to good things. Me used to treat
Tama
princes
was
bad.
the same guy. I think we told you this story. The same guy that one day I was snorkeling and they were all like
Tracy's first penis.
that I saw.
Oh.
And so we were all, I know, it was terrible. I was snorkeling by their feet because there was little fishes by their feet, and then Jodi said, Tama, pull down your pants. And then he pulled down his pants and his penis, and I saw
His
it.
shark. His prince shark.
I like,
How many people can say they've seen a prince penis?
I cried. Oh.
Tracy came up, her lungs were filled with water. Like, there's certain people that can't deal with prince penis, and she's one of them. This is turning my tongue red. Today I'm having, this was the one that we liked last time, the Sorrel Fiesta, part of Lady Bee Mixology's Christmas flavors. And then there was the, this is the same, the apple harvest that we said we should all heat it up.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
We keep forgetting, we just keep drinking it.
tastes good cold. Anyway, so yeah.
How big was it?
It was big. It was big. It like came out of the
How
trunks.
old were you guys?
I was like maybe 11.
I don't even think you were that old.
It was not time for me to see penis. I cried. I remember spending the afternoon hugging up mommy crying.
When they're trying to like talk and have like a conversation, you know, you always see the adults in the water and they're like chatting and gesticulating. Then there's she kicking up, a fish! And then she go back down again, she an eel! I was like, yeah man, alright, watch where you're going now. Come see slug. But Cream and Tama used to listen to me all the time. They would listen to me. If I was like, go over there. This is how you know I'm a queen, right? Because the princes listen to me. They would always listen to me, no matter what foolishness I wanted to do.
I wish Luki was on here right now to tell us how it really got, right? Oh my goodness.
So we just have these like, you know, you have these, I'm sure you know when you used to like visit your grandmother in the country for the whole summer where you'd make these friendships with people that, it's just like an unlikely friendship. Like if they were going to school with you, they're not necessarily somebody you would have been so close to. But then, you know, you have these little summer holidays or Christmas holidays and...
But they were consistently there, like Creamer and Tama, Luki, Elena
Ramos Goody. She's now a model.
Yeah, she was on a daytime show
as well, and we're like, that's my friend. I wasn't mean to her though. She was cool.
No, we liked her.
Yeah, she was very I think her family were vegetarian.
Yeah, they were.
Because she used special toothpaste and stuff.
Yeah,
her toothpaste was
like
nice.
Vegetarian toothpaste, like vegan. Like they were hippies.
They were
hippies. Yeah. So
you don't have to be a hippie to be a vegetarian.
But they were hippies. Like
they were conscious.
The father used to smoke a spliff on the balcony in the evening.
That does not make Sean a hippie because he likes to smoke a spliff in the afternoon. It does not mean he's a hippie or a vegetarian because trust me, he eat meat.
Ooh, okay.
Ham, turkey. Oh, thank you. Somebody says, I just loved your Christmas photo shoot. Thank you so much. And thank you. It's you can check it out over on my YouTube channel or
I watched it yesterday.
Yeah?
Yeah, I watched it.
So many
Scott
nice
said,
comments.
are you obsessed with your sister?
Yes.
I was like, what are you talking about? He's like, you just left her. I was like, oh.
So you miss me.
She put up a video though.
But
do you guys didn't like my Christmas photo shoot?
Tracy, it was so sweet.
It was so sweet.
Are you gonna print those pictures?
Yeah, I'm gonna do a book like what Kim.
Oh yeah, I want a book too. I want a book too.
I need to.
Backside.
What braids by dancing?
You ate the photo shoot. That is correct. It was nice. Thank you. Oh, hi, Dr. Zach. Dr. Zach, we have to have you on the show one of these days. Everybody, let us welcome Dr. Zach. He's one of the top plastic surgeons over in Miami, Florida.
What has he done for you?
He has given me my confidence. Let's just leave it at that. I don't know how Dr. Zach have a break right now, you know. Dr. Zach is probably like, how did she even see me? I know these Jamaicans are going to be calling my office to be like, oh, this is what I want. My confidence.
I can't manage you. Anyway, so the next thing I wanted to talk about, right, is going back to the gym because since Dr. Zach isn't out here, I have to
He's only in Miami. No, I just feel like Miami's not that far.
I have to better back my body, try and get my bottom to be up there. because it's right now it's just middle grown.
So what are some of the New Year's resolutions that you guys have for this year?
That you're actually gonna keep, because don't bother sending me no resolution.
And I'm so sick and tired of every January and February the gyms are full, and then come October it's like, you know, whole heap of space, like you could go in there and do some like...
Yeah, but I feel like January, that's like till October. I think they did a good little round, yeah?
What? Okay, let me work out January, February, and I'm good for the rest of the year.
Well, I mean, I don't find it's January, February, October. I find there's like March, April, May, June, July,
Nobody's
August,
in
September.
there for the rest of the year.
Maybe I should start back February then. Give myself some extra
Somebody
time.
said, learn. Jodi Jinx fan page said, learn how to box braid. It make me ignorant too.
The full gym.
Middle ground. I know. And like people who are gym goers for like the whole year, it's like you go to the gym. I remember when Pat used to have and all the new people in January. Well, I caused a big stink on January. I made a big placard and I said no new people on my big placard, and I drove in and put it on the front of my car because my parking space was never available for me. I'm very habitual. I park under the tree, right? Parking space was never available. I could never get my mat. I could never get my space. Then all Pat would do is shout at me.
How have you been since you had since you're doing your own workouts at home now?
It's okay.
I know it's hard.
It's hard. Sean has a little gym here now, and just to keep motivated, you know. So I find the workouts on my phone, and I have all the equipment. It's okay. I think my main problem is that I need to diet along with the working out, because I'm not going to see the full results. And if I don't diet, then that's when the cellulite comes out. More about me. Girl, yes, all about you. Yes. 2022 is a year of you.
Big it up.
Read more and be more health conscious. I could take that on too.
Yeah, you know what? I decided I wanted to do more vegetarian dishes at home too. You know, Scott's just gonna have to eat more vegetables.
Yeah? He's a veggie eater?
He's a veggie eater.
Yeah. Okay. Use IG and find workouts. I do.
Hello from Cayman.
Hi, Cayman.
Mel Maxim 345.
Met y'all at Carnival one year. We will be back soon. Stop with all this what do you call it? This quarantine stuff.
So anyway, so be more organized, says Yashi Hunter. By the way, I want to let you know that I was such a messy person growing up. I was really messy.
Nasty.
Messy. I was
nasty.
Stop it.
I used to have to clean up behind you, Tracy.
Doesn't make me nasty. Messy and nasty are different.
You are nah.
I was not.
Tracy, you weren't nasty, but you were nah. You were messy, like it was gross.
Anyway, and so then now I'm very neat. I'm very neat now, don't you find, Joe?
You know, you've come a long way.
I'm very neat.
You've come a long way.
I feel like where it's not neat is inside of my closet and my drawers.
I find that when you have more space and everything has a home, you will be more inclined to be neat.
Yeah.
Because if you know that, oh, this goes here, then you know what I mean? Like I'm even looking now for like a mounted shelving unit to put up in the toy room to add more shelving, more storage containers for the kids. Because I think that once you have the storage space, you'll be able to be neat.
Auntie Jodi bought Stevie a car for Christmas, FYI.
Yes, thank you. Chris Turner, I would love to see people sign up to have that petition for a child register in Jamaica. That I didn't start it, but I was helping to propel it. I feel like the persons who need the most don't understand how important this is in Jamaica. So to have like a sex offender registry, so for persons who and have the sex registry available to everybody, so you can type in the website and you can see. So basically this will help you when you're hiring somebody, this will help you when you're moving into a neighborhood, this will help you in a whole bunch of things. You want to be conscious of the people that you have around your children, so to make the sex registry public. And in doing this petition, apparently from what I found out,
I just find it so devastating we have to talk about this.
Yeah.
And I'm just sad about that.
And no,
so I found this headband in Jodi's drawer. If anybody was wondering about my headband. She didn't even know.
Chris Turner, thank you very much. Let's look into, or I'm going to look into what happened with that petition. I believe that they do have a sex offender registry in Jamaica. I just believe it's not public and it's not really updated. So I'm going to find out some more about that. Yes, too many broken boys and girls, and they will turn adults because of this. Yes. That would be great if Jamaica take that step forward.
I'm almost finished my Lady Bee Mixology. It was so delicious.
All right, I'm going to...
What?
I don't have my notebook, but Chris Turner is going to keep me accountable. Is that how you say? When you keep somebody accountable? Chris Turner is going to keep me accountable. I'm going to look for it.
So, anyways, let's sus.
We're going to sus? Ooh, I love sus. What we're going to sus about?
I don't know. So,
Tracy! You can't say let's sus say you don't know sus.
I have sus.
Oh, okay.
I have sus.
You tell.
Right?
Okay.
So I'm going on the gram, right? And I'm going through the gram.
Yeah. What she do? Tell me, how she be? Yeah. Hold my way.
There are some ladies out there that, you know, they've been partying and stuff like that. And I'm not going to get into how I feel about that. But they've been partying. And they've been wearing clothes that you can see their nipples.
But it's all about free the nip.
I don't know, Joe.
Maybe that you don't like it.
I don't like to see the nip. Scott doesn't like to see the nip.
Okay.
Sean doesn't like to see the nip
Sean
either.
likes my nips.
But your nips are different from the random people's nips. Like, how would you enjoy a girl with her nips out coming and talking to your man?
I'm sorry, because the nips are like, hey, Sean, can I...
It's a see-through thing.
I don't know. Some people have nice nips.
No, I don't know.
Sharma has really nice nipples.
Anyway. But, I don't know. Like, why? Like, Drina says, who cares? I don't know. I don't really care about your nipples, but I care when you're coming to talk to my husband with your nips out. Like, your nips are out.
I don't know. I think it's like a style. I mean, it doesn't suit some people, as with all styles. And like sometimes I think too that it could make you look a little bit more like it takes apart from the outfit. Like it takes away from the outfit.
Men have nip too, so chill. This is true.
I don't know. It depends on what you wear.
Sometimes in the nights I play with Scott's nipples.
Okay, all right. So yeah, exactly. So he can wear his nips out at the beach. So if I want to wear my nips out to Sovereign, I don't see the problem.
Is this how it is? I should just be, it's equal
It's
nips for all?
Yes. Nips are nips.
Nips are nips?
Yeah, it just
depends. So am I to change my point of view right now? Nips are nips. Drop a heart if nips are nips, and I'm to change my point of view.
I would be looking to, I'm gonna look at them nips. I love a little nip looking. Come on.
Nobody's dropping any hearts.
Because it's on a delay.
Oh.
See the hearts there? Change your, it's nips are nips.
Really, guys? Nips are nips?
Nips are nips. Gotta show a little nipple up there.
Somebody says, let's go back to the fitness and health. Yes,
okay.
Because you know what? Sometimes the men wear muscle shirts at the gym and I see their nips.
And it's nice looking. Some guys have some really nice nips.
It's true, you guys. I do like a little
you see this is exact. Okay, so you want to look at a man nip, but when a lady comes with her nip, it's not okay?
But I don't mind the lady's nips. I just feel like at a party, nips shouldn't be there.
No partying for nipples, okay? Keep your nipples in. Nipples do not need to go to the party.
What I will say is I don't like how
that's how you know the party is good.
I wish the beaches in Jamaica were topless beaches. I will say that. Because I don't agree with me having to wear a swimsuit top and boys don't have to. And I want to be, and I don't want
you don't have to. You don't have
yes,
to.
Yes, you do. In Jamaica, it's law.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, that's why they said that to me that time at Lanky.
Yes. And when we're at Silver Sands, you have to wear your top. Oh. And I don't want the tan. So all nips should be free at the beach.
All nips, yeah. Okay.
All nips get freedom at the beach.
I love a little free nippling. What was that?
So, Nika Allison says, Tracy is right. Love you, Nika. She says, women should dress sexy in an appropriate way. Tina Babalu Lounge says, very insecure around Scott. I mean, I don't find it insecure. I just find it like, a little.
You don't want nips around Scott?
Yeah, I just don't want nips around Scott.
Okay, alright, so we won't go nipple out towards Scott.
Please don't.
Alright guys, let's all gather at the next party. We're gonna take off our shirts. Okay, ladies? This is who's in on this with me? Everybody is we're gonna gather around Scott and we're gonna be like shirt out and we're gonna sing Ring Around the Rosie. And just jump a little.
With our nips out.
With our nips out. No, you're not included. You're gonna be standing like, stop showing him your nips.
Put your nips away.
I'm gonna lead this Ring Around the Rosie's nipple service.
Nipple service.
Mm-hmm. Nipple service. I like the nips. I like the nips. Tracy is like no nips around my husband.
I mean, I love nips. Obviously, that's where I got nourishment from when I was a baby. Like,
whoa, you're going too far now. You know what? No, you're really gonna get it. All right, when we go, guys, if you see me, right? Listen, I'm always down for a party now, so just let me know when we're doing Ring Around the Nipples with Scott, okay?
Oh gosh, poor Scott.
I'm the first one to be like, yay!
Poor Scott. He doesn't know what he's in for. Oh my gosh.
Elite Jamaican says next subject. You are correct. But we don't have no next subject. We don't have.
Okay, I have a next subject.
What's the next subject?
Types of toilet paper. Do you like yours a little bit rough, or do you like the Scott's toilet paper that leaves a lint on your butt?
No.
It leaves lint on your butt.
No. Well, first of all, Scott's toilet paper is expensive. So is it Charmin.
But the Scott's is thick, and I find like it clogs the toilet.
Because you're using too much. Maybe you need like a mid-flush. I had to introduce Sean to a mid-flush. Yes, you have to have a little mid-flush.
Do you
Charmin? No. Cashmere? No. It leaves bits. Like I swear that leaves like bits in my punky. Like I want a clean wipe.
Bits on your butt.
Bits on my butt, yeah. And then like you're bathing and you're like, lad, there's doo-doo. And it's not doo-doo. It's like little rumpled skins of toilet paper fluff.
Do you fold your...
I definitely fold and I don't waste. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, fold, wipe. And then sometimes you can double it over unless it's a... You know.
Okay, I need to get some toilet paper for us.
Alright,
to
get
talk
the whole
about
roll.
Right.
She's now gone to toilet paper. You see, because apparently if you can't have an adult conversation about nipples, then you need to just talk about doo-doo. Don't make her fool you. She does not fold her toilet paper. I know her from a child. She goes like this, and then she crumples it up in a ball, and then she goes like this. I've seen her do it. Let me show you how Tracy does. Let me show you.
Show me how you do. I'll show you how I do my paper.
Okay,
I'll show you how my paper.
Don't lie, you know. Don't lie.
I'm not lying.
Alright, so this will be. Alright, you'll be the roll. So
Okay,
like,
this is a toilet paper roll.
oh no, sorry, I pulled out.
Okay.
Alright, that's enough. So this will be my thing, right? And then I wipe, and then depending on how, and then I fold again and wipe.
Okay.
And
well,
then
I first of all like to take the roll off of the toilet thing. I like to hold my roll and go like this.
That's
right?
too much.
And then I go like this.
Yeah, okay. Because she likes to exfoliate her butthole.
Because I get all the oops and grooves, and those go into the cracks and crevices better. And I get a good clean.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
Because if you fold it wrong and then there's like a finger in the way, you're gonna be
I'm a professional. I'm a professional.
Do not use cheap toilet paper. Use the ones that are thick with enough sheets on the roll. Jodi, lipstick details. This one is from MAC. They gave me a little goodie bag. This one is MAC. Topped with brandy.
Alright, let's just see a lip gloss for 1 second. Not that one. Which one?
Oh, what about the dark colors? You took home all the glab with gammy stuff?
Yeah, I did. It was for my birthday. She gave it to me for my birthday.
Right?
No, it's okay. It's okay. We're over this now. Anyway.
You're gonna put it on my and don't you dare waste my lip gloss. You're putting this on your lip, not on the toilet paper.
This is a MAC lip gloss now.
Wipes plug the toilet. So if you use wipes, I love like a wipe. But then you have to throw it in the paper basket.
So is anybody gonna start a new business in 2022? What's the business trajectory looking like?
Did somebody learn a new word last night watching the news? Did somebody watch the news last night? Trajectory. You used it right in a sentence. You used it. Okay. Let's answer Tracy with our business trajectory question, please.
Thank you. Oh my goodness.
There's flushable wipes. How much are those?
Wait, we're talking about the business projection. Okay, so while you guys are answering about the business projection, I want to tell you guys a story. So the other day now, right? Levi is way too advanced for his own good, right? Socially advanced. So anyway, so his dad comes in and Levi is like, oh dad, blah, blah, blah. And anyway, his dad got upset with him about something, right? And so his dad was like, Levi, why would you do that? Oh my goodness. And his dad walks out and is like huffing and puffing. So of course, Levi is a little upset and I guess him shame because I was sitting there. So Levi turns around to me, him now. What did he say again? He goes, he's a little bit overreacting, don't you think? And I was like, yo, where this boy learned this word overreacting from? Like, I don't even understand.
He knows a lot of words. Happy 50th birthday, M-Town. Today is your birthday.
Happy 50th M-Town. Oh, I love M-Town. She's always so sweet to me. Okay.
We would love to see you shopping, Jodi. Seems like you check the prices of everything. I do check the prices of everything. I do check the prices. Like, I don't like just use like.
Jodi definitely checks the prices. She's not the kind of girl that's just going to go in and just be like Nimmy Jimmy and just buy things. Like, she checks the prices and then she will go around.
I want a deal.
Yeah, she wants a deal. Jodi loves a deal.
I love a deal. Why do you think rich people stay rich? My God, man, I don't need to learn the what you call it, the trajectory. No, I check the prices, and if like there is an item that's slightly damaged that I can fix, you get a 35% discount. So I'll take the damaged one if I know I can wash it, clean it, fix it, sew it.
Yeah. No, Sean didn't hear when he said it. Shimping Shauna. Sean didn't hear it.
No.
He definitely didn't hear it.
No, Levi is a under mumble breather. He be like what you just said a while ago? Nothing, mom. Like, I'm like, yo, me and this boy will fight, you know. Oh, Italy in the house. I saw Canada. I saw Cayman. We saw a couple people. Just want to welcome everybody. We're just here chatting foolishness.
So I was having a thought the other day, right? And it's kind of scary because Stevie's first birthday is coming up May 27th.
What are we planning? What am I planning for her?
I was just about to say, I thought you were planning the ice cream party.
Okay, so I'm going to do like an ice cream party. So everything I'm going to make from scratch, the decor. Oh, I need to get a jigsaw. I need to cut some plyboard because I have to make all of the...
Okay.
Like, oh, China!
You got that plyboard.
Deuces, Sugar Lips. She's here from China.
Oh, hey! Deuces. So anyway,
England.
Jodi's cutting plyboard right now.
Which one of your children has your personality, Jodi? I'll say
Definitely Remy.
Okay, fine.
Definitely Remy.
Okay, fine.
Levi is his father and Remy is you. Remy looks like me, but she's you.
You are from England? Is that France? Marseille? How do you say that word? How do you say that place in France? Marcel? You don't even know about It's from...
Look, I'm finished my Lady
France.
Bee, so maybe I'm feeling a little tipsy.
This wig thing, it's an elastic band. You know, elastic band kills me. I think it's... Wow.
Sorry.
Here, take some doodle tissue.
No, stop. So anyway, right? I was thinking, what is the best way to do your eyebrows? Is it to pluck? Is it to wax? Like, what do you guys think is the best way to
A little bit of everything. Marseille, the south. Marseille, thank you.
Yeah, so what is the best thing to do for your eyebrows?
So for my eyebrows, I find that... So I heard this story once that when you wax... Now, sometimes you have to kind of say things aloud or discuss them with yourself for them to
so you know if they make sense or not?
So when you get wax and you put the hot wax on such a sensitive area that doesn't have a lot of elasticity, because you guys get wrinkles in your face easier. So you put the wax on and then you're pulling with that piece of...
What are you doing?
Pulling.
Okay, right.
It's like lifting this little piece of thin skin ever so often. And it's, to me, I don't want to be yanking that piece of skin right there. So what I do is I pluck, which is not as much of a rugged pull,
Rigid, rugged.
Rigid, rugged pull. You don't want a rigid, rugged pull. At least not on your eye.
Anyway, so for those of us that get wrinkles,
Not us.
what do you mean not us? Not you.
Not me.
I get wrinkles.
You get wrinkles on your pum pum. That's a compliment.
I don't want a wrinkly pum pum.
I would rather a wrinkly pum pum than a wrinkly face.
I don't know if I want wrinkles anywhere.
Well, if I have to choose.
I used to think when I was a little girl, oh, you know, if I had to choose one body part for all of the bad things to happen, what would it be? And I would say it was my toe. I would want it somebody could toe.
Oh, so that's what's happening now to you too?
No, my toes are cute right now.
No, they don't.
Yes, I did. I got a pedicure.
You did? By
Yes.
yourself or you went to somebody? You did it yourself. You definitely did that yourself. Get it off of my toilet paper. Your toenail looks like something like children draw in like the first grade.
What are you talking about?
What are you talking, Tracy? You've meshed your toenail. All right, what is that? What is that guy's name?
I don't know.
No,
I mean, why you
your
guys
toenail goes like this, like you
No,
scooped
it
it
does
out.
not do
Yes,
that.
it does.
No, it does not.
Yo,
It's
what is
so
the
mean to
the
my
little young boy
toes.
that is singing? What his name? And he's also the bus conductor. The young boy and him teeth the teeth go like this. What his name again?
I have no idea who you're talking
Oh
about.
man, not Fiji, not
You're so mean to my toes.
Tracy. Your toenail is just hanging.
Every
What
week,
again?
every week you just want to be mean to
You
my
just
toes.
stay over there. Let me check myself for. Ooh. Alright, this one is fine.
You stay over
Miss
there.
Chin, we big you up long time. You're late, but it's okay. 'cause-
Ziddy.
Ziddy. You know Ziddy teeth stay like that. That's how our toe look. Ziddy's a
So when I'm
businessman.
ready to polish these babies, you know, you just watch out.
Make sure you're using some Berger Prime on that. Alright, it's okay. Not everybody can have good looking toes.
I'm a vegetarian. I don't paint my toenails.
Would you stop? Every week you come and diss the vegetarians. And you well want to be a vegetarian too, you know.
I do. I wish I could be vegetarian.
You can't be a vegetarian and be a cheapskate though, you know.
What do you mean?
Being a vegetarian is expensive, especially in Jamaica.
Yeah, you can't cheap out on the broccoli.
You can get local broccoli, but yes, just got home, was rushing to get home early, but traffic today. Oh Lord, Miss Chin, just take a nice warm bath and relax.
Mans 99. Asking Jodi, you gonna have more babies? Well, you know, Mans, thank you for reminding me because I asked Jodi to take out the stroller today because I'm going to the country for New Year's. So
If
I
there's
said
a
to
mommy here
Jodi-
that would like a stroller, I have a second, well, Remy's use it to a
Wait,
baby
what are
buggy
you
stroller.
giving away things for? I'm right
I have a
here.
stroller downstairs, but it needs to wipe off, and mommies always need strollers. What's that, upper baby? I have a nice stroller downstairs. It
What
just
about
needs-
me?
You have, how many more strollers do you want, Trace? You have one child. What are you going to do? Dismantle her and ride her around in different strollers?
Well, what stroller are you giving away?
The upper baby one.
Which is the upper baby one?
The blue one that Levi used to roll around in.
Oh, okay.
You
I
see
thought
me
you.
rolling.
So anyway, I said to Jodi, can you please pack up the foldable stroller because I'm gonna need it this weekend, Hannah? Yeah, I'll lend it to you. I was like, lend it to me? I was like, why can't I just have it? Are you planning on having another child? Like, why are you lending it to me? Like, I feel like you're giving it to me. Oh no, the girl don't answer me. Oh no, the girl don't answer
The
me.
mother from the Ace family, that's like a family blogger in the States, the wife, she removed her IUD herself. So, which is absolutely like,
That sounds painful.
I don't even know how she did that. She says that she got like the spirit spoke to her, and what did she say she got? She got a deposit. That's what she said. She got a deposit, and the spirits told her to remove her IUD right away. And so that's why I don't want to give away my stroller, because the spirits may deposit to me another baby.
Okay. Well, I don't know. Every time Stevie grows onto something, I pack it up and I just pack it up and I pass it on. Like I don't really keep anything.
I keep some stuff.
I don't really keep anything. I've kept like the bigger things like the bedside crib, but I lend it out to people, you know, as I go along. But her clothes and stuff, like I
Yeah.
just pack it up and give it away.
I need to give you the special nightie that Levi wore, that Remy wore, that I want Stevie to wear.
Okay.
It's stained with mango, but it means a lot to me.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. That had to be painful. I just don't even know how she did that.
I just feel like
There's a little hook on it or something. Well, the little string, I had to have my string cut because, you know,
Mango Stain 90, I'm still on this.
Sean could feel it, so he was asking if it could be trimmed. I think it was arm removed. But what do you do? Hold on to that string and pull like a tampon?
Yes.
So how long are her fingers?
I don't know, maybe her string was long.
Oh, yeah. But it is said that if there's a case of emergency, there is a way to remove it yourself. I don't know what, like if you're stuck in the Alps somewhere and can't get to a doctor. I found it very strange. That was a weird story.
So anyway, also, I'm going to have one of these candies here. I haven't eaten lunch. Do you have any food downstairs?
I've been eating these candies all day about lunch.
I don't want it. I don't want any more sugar.
I didn't offer it to you. We don't have to have sugar until, we can have sugar now until January. Calories don't count during this weird time.
They do, and then they settle.
They don't settle. You just
want
do
them
them
to
out.
settle.
Drink
I don't
some tea.
want ballerina tea.
Yes.
I don't want them to
Here.
settle. Look how long my
Drink
hair
some
is now.
tea. Yeah, but you can't do that. Like, look how long my hair is now. You just have to hold your head straight.
Right, look how long my hair is now.
Oh, yeah, it's okay.
What are you talking about? You're such a hater. My hair was by my chin.
Yeah, mine too. I like this wig. Okay, if anybody has a wig company or knows a friend that has a wig company that wants me to model their wigs, yeah, you can send it to me. I love a wig.
D, I wish you would cook something for me too.
I love a wig. And that's the first time I've combed it on the show, okay, Drew? So don't even bother come for me that I was combing my wig all day. I'm hungry too. I need something to
GMG
cook.
Fitness, one week in Jamaica and I gained 7 pounds. Let me tell you something. Jamaican
That means
food,
you're staying somewhere good.
Jamaican food is very fattening.
Dense, yeah.
Like everything is fried, and it's fried and then baked in a gravy. Like it's so.
You know what I've never
fattening.
had? I've never had boiled fried dumpling. And
What?
I've never had it. And I feel like the one time I have it, I'm like going to like want it every day.
You've never had boiled fried
No.
dumpling? It's really good.
Really?
It's really good. It's really, really good.
Yeah, Jamaica, a gain weight country.
Yeah, it definitely is.
Once the holidays are passed and the leftovers are finished, okay.
But I mean, like, the thing is that Jamaican food, you can also make it and not make it so fattening. Like, I made ackee and saltfish yesterday for breakfast, and when I was cooking up the onion and thing, like, I don't use that much oil because I use a stick-free pan, so I just use a little bit of oil to just caramelize the onions and cook down the tomato and stuff, and then you add your ackee.
It tastes so good. Oh my gosh, don't even tempt me. But I can't fry. I'd have to ask Gracie to fry it up for me.
I can't fry either. Scott has to fry for me. I can't fry. Like, I just don't know how to fry.
Yeah, because you want to fry it with like hopes and dreams. You have to put oil in the pan.
I don't like to use so much oil.
You have to put oil in the pan and you have to wait for it like
Scott
you know it's
made
hot.
Nicest festivals yesterday though. They were so fluffy, and then he did it in like little, like, balls. Like they were. I don't know. It was cute. It was cute.
All that fried food will have you Jodi, you're not Jamaican if you've never had boiled fried dumplings.
Patrice says so.
Fine. Who can make it for me? I don't even have boiled. Actually, I have soup downstairs, from the cow food soup. Maybe I could
So you're gonna wash them
up.
Is that right?
Well, they're in soup. They're already wetty. Just
Okay.
wash them off and then pat dry them.
Okay.
And then ask Gracie to fry them for me.
Okay. You do
That's not what you do? I can't take out the boiled dumpling out of the soup.
I don't know.
It's still a boiled dumpling.
Yeah. I don't know.
Dumplings.
Boiled fried
with
dumpling
ackee
is
and
very
saltfish.
nice.
Oh, that sounds so good. Tracy, what happened to the cooking videos from the journey of it?
They're coming back. They're coming back. They're coming back. I've been testing some recipes, and
Do a boiled fried dumpling.
no, I can't even boil it. I don't even know how to make dumpling. I don't even know.
Just
how to
wash
make
off. See, that's it. I can just wash off the dumpling. See, you thought I was saying something stupid, didn't you? You thought I was saying something. You remember last week you said if we do this, it means we're masturbating on the chair. Stop rubbing up yourself. Sit down properly and nicely. Is that Win some 007?
Right.
Oh, I haven't seen you give trouble all of this show. You must have just log on. Naughty. Naughty. All right, guys. So, we're going to, for the new year, we're going to feel healthier. Because I don't want to say we're going to go to the gym too. You go to the gym for whatever it is, or you exercise for whatever it is that you would like to gain, whether it is for muscle mass weight loss or just to feel healthy. I think it's great to just do a little walking up and down, do a little cardio to kind of get the lungs prepared for the big ball out at night time. Boy! Or COVID. So
I was going to just go and look at my what we're going to talk about today.
Hold on, she has a list of things to talk about and brings them out at 1:15? Why?
No, this is for Tricky's Corner.
Oh. Why? I joke, that's not how I behave. I'm like, ow! Woo! Come on, read up the things.
So today I want to talk about sight versus vision. Right? And I'm going to have to read this one because it's a lot. Okay, what was I doing?
You're in YouTube, you look like this. You look like I have a fat neck. You look like, hey,
Oh,
grab my neck. You know?
you've had enough, Lady Bee. You've had enough.
I've had enough? Okay.
Okay. Vision comes from within and shows us how to navigate the realms of thought, feeling, and emotion. Sight is the ability to see the physical world, while vision is a gift of seeing beyond it. Sight enables us to take the physical world in so we can participate in it with knowledge. It brings us pleasure through our eyes, which... Jodi's not loving this one.
I'm listening. I'm actually listening. Can you go back to the last paragraph though? I started to think about myself.
Okay. Sight is the ability to see the physical world, while vision is a gift of seeing beyond it. Sight enables us to take the physical world in so we can participate in it with knowledge. It brings us pleasure through our eyes, which perceive the colors and shapes of the myriad expressions of nature and human beings. It helps us feel in control, allowing us to see what is coming towards us, which way we are going, and exactly where we are standing in the given moment. We are able to read signs and books, navigate the interiors of buildings with ease, sense and perceive how a person is feeling by the expressions that cross their face. Anyone that has lost their eyesight can tell you that there are things that are clearer when you cannot see the world through your eyes. One of the reasons many meditation instructors advise sitting with eyes closed is because we automatically become more in touch with our inner world when we are not distracted by the outer world. It is in this state that vision becomes our mode of seeing. Vision comes from within and shows us how to navigate the realms of thought, feeling, and emotion. It enables us to see things that aren't yet manifested in the world form. It also connects us to the parts of ourselves that exist separately from the world of form.
Okay, so I like that. That's a very roundabout
Isn't it
way.
nice?
It's a nice way, a roundabout way to seeing. Sight is what we're seeing directly in front of us, but vision is what we have in our mind through experiences of the things that we've sighted.
Right.
Yeah, like it.
So that was a little article that I read the other day, and I thought that it was so nice.
Yeah,
like,
but Tricky's Corner is not like about reading something.
no, but it was just so deep that I thought, wow, because sometimes maybe we have sight in our lives, but we need to like make it a vision, like how much deeper can we go, like we see what's in front of us, but a vision, you kind of have to have emotion and manifest it, like I just thought it was a really deep thing, a really deep article.
Okay, where you got that article from?
I have this thing that emails me all the time, so it's just, it's just like really weird stuff.
I need to wash my hair. My real hair.
Why did you get... It is killing Jodi not to talk, said M Town.
You know me! Gift of gab!
Did you have braces on your top teeth?
No, I had that retainer to close the gap because remember my teeth were moving.
Right.
Why, you can see my retainer at the top?
I can see your tin at the bottom.
Oh.
It's fitting for the New Year trick. Yeah, I thought so too. Thank you.
So like for the new year, let's go into things with vision. Like, just to experience.
Jodi, shut up. You don't know how to be deep.
Oh, come on. I thought I did really good a while ago. I had 2 seconds, but it sounded so good. You don't think so? Come on, man. That sounded good. Guys, let's go into the new year with some vision. Let's go in wanting to experiencing. Put your things down and instead of sight, have vision. Let's do this 2022. Let's do it with our heart and our soul. Let's grab some necks.
You see, this is where it goes wrong. What are you gonna wear for New Year's Eve?
You told me to dress up, and I don't feel like I should dress up like on the lawn, like just chilling with the kids. I put a little romper.
What?
You want me to wear sequins and have Levi and Remy on each side of me, like, mommy this, mommy that, mommy I need to do, mommy look at this booger.
No,
That's a cute little romper. No, and I'm wearing barefoot.
What?
Yes. All right, I'll start in slippers, as you know, and then I'm gonna take them off.
I'm wearing a gown.
Tracy, we are going to the country. We will be on the grass.
I'm wearing a gown. It's
Okay,
New
fine.
Year's
Okay,
Eve.
fine. Wear the gown. Wear the gown. Wear the gown. But don't tell me what to wear. I am wearing a romper.
Don't wear a romper.
I've already packed. The romper is packed. Excuse me.
Stupid.
Like the vision board idea. Yes. Tracy, love when you boof up Jodi. Tracy, inbox me that.
Lavi
Boo wants it inbox.
Designs by Drew wanted it too. Okay, I see you guys. Yeah.
What should I wear then? I just don't see why I wear
Wear what you wear. Nobody don't come and rain on my parade. No.
Okay, I'm gonna wear what I'm gonna wear. I have 2 options actually.
That's it.
Stop now. I don't know if I could manage this elastic thing on my head 1 more minute. Oh.
So then take it off.
No, because
why are you pressuring yourself to
Because
wear
I said
it?
I want to take a picture. It looks so good on camera. Look at this color combo and these curls. Oh, Amazon, you are giving it to me.
How come I'm looking like
Grabbing
that
my
on
neck.
YouTube?
Like what? On YouTube, you keep going like this. You're like,
Well, it's
hello,
because you
everybody.
put me far back and the
You
chair
can,
is like-
every time I put you close, you're like, we're too close, we're too close.
Well, we are too close. We're still too close.
But you keep going like this.
Because this is how you want me to sit with like the chair's positioned like this.
Why you want to sit like that? This is awkward.
This is how I feel like you've positioned everything.
You want to lie down on a bookshelf? That's lazy.
Well, I think I've had too much Lady Bee.
Yeah, so this week was turned. Jeez.
What liquor did you use, Lady
I
Bee?
don't know, my gosh.
I mean, I took the last sip and I nearly coughed and choked on it. Like, I didn't early, I actually did. It was
Jodi
like,
looks mulatto.
mulatto butts. Mulatto butts.
Are we ready to go now?
Yeah?
You're ready to go.
Okay.
My toe is numb, but it's a whiskey.
Whiskey.
Whiskey
I
tea.
like whiskey.
I like whiskey too.
Yeah.
That's like a really nice name.
Yeah. Whiskey?
Whiskey. Whiskey! Not for a dog. I'm talking if you have a next child.
I would not be naming my child Whiskey. Could you imagine what Mommy and Joan would say?
Really? Because I named Remy.
This is true. This is true.
That's saying.
Well, maybe I could name the boy Scotch.
See, because what's her name? Cardi B's sister's name is Hennessy. I think that is so cool. Like, imagine if I could rename myself Rum.
You don't want to be wrong?
I don't know. I think about it. I'd have to think about something really cool, like Red Label Wine.
Wow, you want to be all of that? They just call you Red for short.
I don't want to be red. I don't want to be red. But I could turn on the thrills.
Wow! wow!
I don't know. I think those names are really cool. You know?
Okay.
Like, when you have, like, one hand and they name you Wani.
Well,
You don't know Wani the plumber?
well, if you're going to be Red Label Wine, that's your name?
No, they're going to shorten my name to Reds, and I don't want to be Reds.
Maybe you could just be like Carib, like the bear.
Carib?
Yeah, like the bear.
That's too broad. That's too broad.
Yeah. Okay.
Maybe like Heineken. You can't shorten Heineken.
Heine.
No, I don't want to be Heine.
Come here, Heine.
Campari. Who the hell wants to be Campari?
Aperol Spritz.
Campari, and they spend so much money on their marketing, but ain't nobody want to drink no damn Campari.
I don't like
That
it.
stuff is like so bitter.
Yeah.
However, if you do want to sponsor me, just let me know. I can send you my rates because that stuff is awesome. All right, everybody. everybody, that's enough of the fun, frolic, and foolishness for today. We need to go before we Cami, for short, for Campari. They could get in touch with me. Prosecco. For sure. Me and Prosecco are good friends.
Tequila.
Jodi could be Rose. Rose. Corona Bear. Could I just be Bear? Yes, because if I'm Bear, then I would be like Grizzly Bear, or Bear will make the man them fat.
Oh, the whiskey's making me tired now.
We are tired now. Well, you've gone through a whole bunch of emotions here today.
Yeah, I feel like that too.
Alright, well, I feel fine. Alright, everybody, if you missed the first part of the show, you can always head on over to YouTube where you can watch what you missed. Tracy getting drunk and Campari here. No, sorry, I was Bear.
Oh, what am I?
Tequila. Oh, I like that. I thought you were whiskey.
Oh, whiskey. I like whiskey.
Okay, you're whiskey. Okay.
Okay.
Look at her. Look at her. Guess who isn't breastfeeding anymore? Whiskey. Alright, everybody, have a wonderful new year. Please drive carefully. Just take your time. Take your time. If you're late, you're done late. It don't matter how late you is. Late is late. Take your time, drive carefully, and be good to one another. And if you can't be good to one, what did the people say? I was trying to sound smart again. Never mind. Don't worry. Alright, everybody. See you in the new year. Have a wonderful time.
Happy New Year to you.
No, that's not it. That's not it, but I like it. Happy New Year. Alright, everybody, that's it. We love you very much. Happy New Year, and we will see you next week. Will you be on again before the new year is out? No, there's no more Tuesdays until the new year. This is the last Tuesday.
Aww, guys.
We've spent a whole year together.
I just want to say.
Oh shit. Go ahead.
You know, I don't want to get emotional.
You've gone through all the emotions today, Trey. I just want you to know you are just tired. She sounds like, Tracy! Oh God. I can't deal with this. Tracy, are you...
It's just been like... Sorry. You know?
The last time you cried like this on camera, you know what happened, right?
Guys, I feel like you guys have just been with us for so long, and we've just been here doing our thing, and I just really appreciate you guys so much. I just want to hug y'all. Okay.
Use it, do the tissue. Alright, everybody, we really do appreciate you, but me not gonna cry for that, you know? Alright. Must be that. You have to be up a little higher.
Oh.
Yeah, girl.
Not on my nip.
No, keep the nipples.
Not on the controversial nip.
No.
Okay, sorry.
Bye, Lady Bee Mixology. Thank you so much for spending a year with us. These ones were good.
So good.
I couldn't even get to double pump. All right.
No, I finished that one. Bye. Love
Bye,
you
everybody.
guys.
Bye. Happy birthday to ya.